Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope all is well. We've got this 2018 Designo Diamond White Metallic Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's a 2-litre E220d AMG line. It's the Premium Plus G-Tronic. It's currently at 76,504 miles and it's a diesel automatic. Really lovely vehicle. I feel like it will get a lot of attention. I think it's got around about 8.8 grand's worth of optional extras, which I'll show you in a second. But we'll start off with the windscreen. It's got the chameleon windscreen glazing with the electric glass sliding panoramic sunroof. Really cool addition. With the alloys, it's got the 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels in the gloss black. Really good condition on all four alloys. With the red brake calipers. Moving on to the lights, it's got the LED high performance lights with the daytime running feature and the automatic activation. It's got agility control suspension with the selective dampening. There's the third alloy and the last alloy. Comes with the rear privacy glass, a rear side window and at the tailgate. Does include the Premium Plus pack and the night package. It's got front and rear parking sensors with a reverse parking camera which comes out of this Mercedes badge. Rear tinted lights, really cool to be honest, really cool inside. It's got the ambient lighting all the way through. It'll look really cool especially at night time. But onto the interior trim, it's got the carbon black interior trim with the light grey stitching, electronic windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the folding mechanism, storage compartment, powered tailgate button, ambient lighting, like I mentioned, 3 different settings and a memory seat setting, electronic adjustable seats working perfectly fine, with a front heated seats at driver's and passenger side with 3 different settings, premium sound system, so it's got Burmester sound system, mechanical electronic parking brake and automatic headlights, ambient lighting just there. Let me just step inside the vehicle. Inside the vehicle, it's got the multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free cruise control with a speed limiter. It's got the touch pads, which this is for the center instrument cluster, and this one is for the center console. Gear shift paddles here on the right and on the left with the automatic transmission and the automatic wipers. It's got 76,504 miles on the clock. Keyless push to start. Let me just show you the features. It's got sat-nav navigation built into it, high resolution, works perfectly fine. It's got sat-nav navigation, DAB, FM and Bluetooth integration and configuration, which is really good. There's telephone preparation. You'll need to pair your phone for that, but that's also an option. In-car office, that's standard. It's got Mercedes Connects, which includes the browser, Mercedes-Benz apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so that's really good. Vehicle settings, all the different configurations for the driver's seat and the passenger seat, and there is the dynamic select, so all the different configurations regarding the engine, suspension, steering. There's parking assistance, so there's ESP, traffic sign recognition, camera and parking assist, active brake assist, attention assist. If I showed you all the spec on the video, it would literally be too long. There's all the different light settings, so there's interior lights, all different configurations, whichever colours you want. I'll put red. Just show for you guys, but yeah, really cool. Vehicle settings, exterior light settings, all different settings there. Got dual zone air conditioning with a Mercedes clock, 2 cup holders and a 12-volt plug socket, key holder just there. And I'll just show you it's got individual, sport plus, sport, comfort and eco mode. But yeah, really cool. Got all the different configurations there. A lovely armrest, comes with 1 key. It's got 2 USB ports, plenty of storage compartment. Like I mentioned, it does have a panoramic glass sunroof which slides electronically, works absolutely amazing. No faults in the system. Comes with a sun visor as well. There you go. I'll keep it open for the time being so it lets more light in for you guys, especially at the back. It can get really dark with the tinted glass, but yeah, it works absolutely tremendously. There you go. No faults in the system. There you go. I'll just show you the back. Regarding the back, the seats move electronically. Storage pockets here on the left and on the right, with the another storage pockets. Premium sound system. It's got the ISOFIX preparation, 2 cup holders, so it's got 4 cup holders in total. Air conditioning unit with a storage compartment just underneath there, which has a 12-volt plug socket and a USB output. But yeah, overall really lovely car. Regarding the interior, I don't know what's better, the interior or the exterior. Both really good. Regarding the boot, plenty of boot space, well looked after, no scuffs, no tears in the interior. It's got a storage pocket here on the left and on the right, and I think it's got a first aid kit. No, it's got a few more shopping hooks and stuff like that. But yeah, overall really lovely vehicle. There's a final look of the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.